This is Jack flying his plane. Go. There she goes. Easy boy, easy boy. Yes. I'll go left a bit. Watch that tree go left. That's it. Go, go, go. Power on. That's it.
Oh, the wind's taking it down.
It's alright. I'll go left. Shit. Watch the trees go left. Let it go down left. He's frightening all the birds away.
Turn it off.
How's that, Jack? Hey, Finch?
Yeah.
Not in the tree that time?
Nope.
Want me to launch you?
Yeah, please.
This is Jack flying his, what is it? Broke now. It's Firebird Phantom. V7600. V3.
What a maiden voyage.
That was fantastic, Jack.
That was hard. It just went like that.
Are you not pulling it up?
Yeah, it was. That was full pulling it up.
One more go. Oh, don't.
Oh shit, sorry.
Ready, go on.
That was full power up then and nothing.
You better throw it into the wind. Should we try throwing it that way?
But then, no, I had it at full power and it cut out.
I'll try going that way. There's plenty of room up there.
Just check it.
Check.
Oh, I'm low on power.
Go on, that's good. That's good. Nice. Nice. Bring it back.
What a landing. What a landing.
Well done, Jack.